I love singing for the right hand only. We always start at the middle two black keys to find where our fingers go. This piece needs the 3 black keys to the right of the middle. So we start with both hands at the middle. There's the 2 black keys in the middle, but this piece is 3 black keys, so I take my left hand away and I take my right hand and I go to the 3 black keys. We need fingers number 2, 3, and 4 for this piece. We're going to start with that right hand finger number 4. We have a couple of repeated keys. At the end, we're going to play the ending 3 different ways. So we play through the whole piece 3 times. Each time ends with a different finger. We start with finger number 4. I count and we play together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. 4, 3, 2, 2. 4, 3, 2, 2. 4, 3, 2, 2. Stay on the 2, 2, 2. Repeat the song. 4, 3, 2, 2. 4, 3, 2, 2. 4, 3, 2, 2. Change to 3, 3, 3. Repeat the song. 4, 3, 2, 2.